Hi guys! So I'm here to explain to you kung bakit ang ating 8 Enhances Gluta Power Boost ay isa sa pinaka-the best Gluta products out there. So dahil dyan, i-compare natin siya with another Gluta Power Capsule brand. Okay? So, i-compare natin siya by ingredient, by the solubility, at syempre, explain din natin kung bakit ang ating Great Life ay mas effective at mas natural kaysa sa ibang other products out there. Okay? So, butin na natin yung capsules ni Brand X. So, kung makikita nyo, yan. Yan ang capsules ni Brand X na glutathione. Whereas sa atin, ang ating 8 Enhances, kitang-kita mo naman from the capsules pa lang, saan ka mas mapapaenggan yung uminom. Siyempre, sa mas magandang looking capsules. And our 8 Enhances Gluta capsules are made from our gelatin capsules. So, alam mong madali siyang madadigest ng katawan. At syempre, hindi siya harmful for your body. Now, sige, sabihin natin na oo, yan lang, capsules, parehong gelatin, and let's say na pareho silang halos ng itsura, di ba? Pero, dyan natin magkakatalo sa water solubility. Because water solubility, doon natin masusukat kung gaano ba ka-natural ang ating mga ingredients. And with our ingredients, we are very sure and we are very confident na this is all natural and very water soluble. So we will put this to the test. Alright, so I'm back. So I brought in 2 glasses of water. So gagawin natin ay ang water solubility test. So think of these 2 glasses as your body. So, syempre, we want only the best and natural products to enter our body. Syempre, we don't want anything artificial. So, dito malalaman natin if everything we take in our Gluta capsules are soluble. Kasi, doon natin masusukat kung natural ba at safe yung products natin na tinitake. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin, so we take each capsule of each brand. So, ang gagawin natin, so, ayan. So, ang gagawin natin is, kukuha lang tayo ng isang capsule for each brand and i-dissolve natin siya sa tubig. So, unahin natin yung kay Brand X. So, as I was putting the powder into the water, so mapapansin nyo na it floats. So, yan. Haluin natin siya to see if it is completely soluble. There. So, mapapansin nyo, meron siyang white na residue. So, meron siyang white na residue. So, ang tinatawag dyan ay ang binders. So, binders are artificial fillers that are used para mas magmukhang mas madami yung nasa capsule. And, syempre, hindi naman siya nag-a-add ng any nutritional value sa ating katawan. So, parang there's no point in having those binders. And syempre, as a consumer, would you want binders in your body? Of course, syempre, ayaw natin yun. Lahat naman siguro tayo ayaw ng artificial sa katawan. Okay? So, we will now test our 8 Enhances Gluta Power Boost. Tingnan natin kung soluble naman siya sa tubig. So, hindi ko pa siya hinahalo. Kung mapapansin nyo, nag-sync na yung ingredients. Sige, tingnan natin ibigyan natin ng konting stir. Yan. After stirring, so mapapansin nyo na most of it is dissolved. So, yung mga pulang pigments na napapansin nyo, those are from our Aronia extract, which are made from various berries that are very beneficial for your health. So those are also considered as superfoods. So the red pigmentation is also caused by astaxanthin, which also enhances your performance in your physical and yung sa muscles mo and your regeneration for your immune system. So kung mapapansin nyo, most of it is dissolved na. So, wala na natitira. Halos parang clear na siya na tubig. Only with a slight red coloration. So, i-compare mo yung dalawa. So, kitang-kita naman natin yung difference between the two. So, isa, may binders. Yung isa, wala. So, syempre, as a consumer, ano mas pipiliin mo? Yung may hindi natutunaw? O yung may natutunaw na lahat? Ikaw na lang ang mag-decide para sa'yo.